What's up? It's your girl Kanai from BIGBAKEROLL TV, and you're tuning in to episode 42. What's up, you guys? So for today's dessert, we will be making some waffle cookies, and today I am so excited for this dessert because this is crumble cookie inspired, like kind of like a copycat off-brand. No, let's not say off-brand, but yeah, like just a copycat crumble cookie recipe. So I am really excited, and if you guys never had crumble cookie, then it's really good. I think you guys should try it. I'm not even gonna lie, the way they be hyping crumble cookie up, I never taste all the flavors, so I can't speak for all of them, but the way like they be hyping, it's worth the hype for sure. The flavors that I tried is worth the hype, and the waffle cookie was one of the flavors I tried, which made me want to try to attempt to make them, and we're gonna see how it turns out. But the waffle cookie tastes really good. It tastes like an actual waffle, so that's our goal for today, to make this cookie taste like an actual waffle, like the actual crumble cookie. So yeah, we're making this totally from scratch. I will leave the recipe to this recipe in the description below if you guys want to try it. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first things first, we have 2 sticks of butter in our bowl right here, and we're going to be adding 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar, along with 2 eggs, 1 regular egg and 1 egg yolk. Butter is softened, by the way. So we're just gonna combine the sugar and butter, and then once we get that to a creamy mixture, then that's when we're gonna go ahead and add our eggs. Just the basic steps to making a cookie. Like, if you guys notice, every time I make cookies, we basically always use the same ingredients, except for like the flavorings and everything to make the cookie taste like a different type of cookie, you know? So yeah, basic steps, we're always going to be doing the same thing. First, starting off with the butter and sugar, and then adding the eggs, and then slowly adding everything else that we need to make our cookie the cookie, you know what I'm saying? Now it is time to go ahead. We're going to mix in our egg with our hand, because your hand is your best friend. What? Yes, your hand is your best friend. So let's go ahead and give it a little fold, a little mixing. After we finish mixing in our eggs, we have 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And once again, what really made me want to try to make these cookies is because I have tasted the actual waffle cookie from Crumbl cookie. And if you guys don't know about Crumbl cookie, they have like different flavors every week and all that stuff. Like, it's really cute, and the flavors that I tried are really good, but I never tried all of them. I want to try more flavors. I want to try the one, like their classic sugar cookie with the pink frosting. Everyone says that's the best one, and like I think that's the one that they always have. But I want to try that one, and it's really good. People be hyping it up a lot. But we have our eggs mixed in. Now we're going to slowly add our flour mixture. But I tried crumble cookie with my friend. Her mom had bought it for us, and her mom bought it for us. I forgot all the flavors we had, but we had a lot of flavors. We had waffle. I think we had some type of pie flavor. We had like a really good chocolate one. We had the classic chocolate chip cookie. We had, what else did we have? I don't even know, but they have like all kind of crazy flavors. It was actually my friend who was in my last episode where we made the banana bread. You guys really enjoyed that episode. If you haven't watched it, make sure you go tune in. That was a really good episode. But yeah, the cookies were good. The waffle was definitely my favorite one. Hence to why I'm making this video right now.
my gosh.
I forgot to add the vanilla and maple flavor. That's what makes the cookie taste like a waffle. Do you guys think it's too late to add it right now? I don't know how I forgot that step. I was just so excited. But I think I'm gonna add it now. Can I? Like, we already got the flour. It's already like, ooh. Can I add it now? I don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna just add it because why not? We're still gonna have the flavor regardless of I did it before or after the flour mixture. Okay, going back to our ingredients, we are adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring along with 3/4 teaspoons of maple flavoring. Y'all, did y'all know they had maple flavoring and butter flavoring? Butter flavoring is what got me. But we're supposed to add 1/4 teaspoon of butter flavoring as well, but my Walmart or Publix didn't have the butter flavoring, so I was like, oh well, we're just gonna have to make it work. And the maple flavoring is the one that we needed the most, so that's the one that like they had, and I'm glad they had this one over the butter because this is the one we need the most, like I just said. But yeah, we're adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I researched like a substitute for butter, for the butter one, and it said vanilla. But I'm not gonna add double the vanilla. I'm gonna just leave it as is with the maple. And the maple smells so good. Like, smells like syrup because that's what it is. But so we're adding 3/4 Alright, so we have our flavorings mixed in. I'm sorry, but we just couldn't leave it out even though I forgot. I'm gonna mix this in really quick and then I'll see you guys when it's time to form our cookies. Alright, you guys, so we have our pan prepared with parchment paper and it's smelling like waffles and pancakes and good old grandma's breakfast in here. So we are going to go ahead. Ice cream scoop come in handy every single time. Like, if y'all done got your ice cream scoop, go get one right now. I got mine from Walmart, so yeah, just a little reference. So we have our ball, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a fork and give it that waffle effect. So we're just going to press down one time and press down so it can have the waffle. Get it? Yeah, really cute, really cute, really cute. I am having a great day. I'm having a great Sunday. Everything is going good for me today. Had me a good start. I watched motivational videos this morning to start off my day with good spirits and a good word. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. And yeah, because I feel like Sundays, let me know what y'all do on Sundays. Like, do you guys have a Sunday routine? Like, do you guys do the same thing every Sunday? Because I know some people, like, Sundays are reset days and they just chill, relax, have them a bubble bath, or like that's their self-care day and stuff like that. And it's different for everybody. Me personally, I do kind of have a routine for Sunday, but I don't at the same time. Like, I don't do the same thing every Sunday, but it's like in the same nature. So basically Sundays are Big Bakeroll days, obviously, but outside of that, Sundays I just make sure I'm prepared for the week. So in that sense, I make sure my room is clean, clothes are washed, and I have everything I need for the week. Especially now since I am back in school, everything has to be set. Oh, like I was saying about the motivational video that I was watching. So, it doesn't have to be a church video. But me personally, I like watching church videos because, just to be real with you guys, I do not go to church every Sunday, but that doesn't mean that you don't believe in God or anything like that. Church is just a place. God is in your heart, in your spirit, in your everyday life, and stuff like that. So I faithfully do not go to church. It's not really by choice. It's just because me and my family haven't found a church that fits us and that we like and that we feel like excited to go to every week. But the time will come and we're still on the lookout. So yeah, that's not the point. The point is that recently I have been like watching those videos every day just to start my day off on a good foot, on a positive note, make sure my head's in the right place, because the world is very crazy right now and social media does not help it at all. Social media just like hypes things, they take things as a joke, and social media is not always positive. My social media feed is positive for the most part. I'm not gonna lie, I do follow the shade room, but I like look at positive things, so that's what comes up on my feed. If you want positive things on your phone and stuff, you have to like have that positive mindset, and you have to be a positive person. Like, people always say they want positivity in their life, they want people like good people around them. You can't be like, I won't say a bad person, but like you can't treat people any kind of way and expect people to treat you with all glory and so much respect. You can't expect respect from people if you don't respect them, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that, like, if you feel like your head is not in the right place, I definitely recommend motivational videos, because they definitely help. Because like sometimes even me, when I try to be positive, like, and something goes wrong, and I'm a big overthinker, I want everything to be perfect and everything. And so if something, like, say for example, if I have a set schedule for the day and I don't complete all my tasks that I need to do for the day, it will make me feel some type of way, because why aren't they done yet? Like, it's the end of the day, like, you should be done. But things get in the way of things, and things don't always go how you expect, so you just have to expect the unexpected and be prepared for anything. So yeah, I don't want to chat too much, but I just want to let you guys know, if you need, like, prove yourself, like you feel like you're stuck, don't stay there. Like, everything is not going to be ups, but you just can't let yourself stay down. You have to keep going, and you just have to find different things that works for you. What works for me might not work for you, and what works for you might not work for me. But like I said, the motivational videos, you guys can try it, and I honestly feel like it's gonna work. But like I said, what works for me is not gonna work for you, and if it doesn't work for you, then that's your opportunity to go out and find something else. That doesn't mean give up, oh, you're not good enough. And so the motivational video, like, you just have to be strong-minded and keep pushing yourself forward, because if you don't push yourself, nobody else would. So yeah, back to it. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday, and I hope this starts your week off great. Do what you have to do to make yourself have a great week. But the cookies are done, and we're going to go ahead and throw them in the oven so they can bake and we can get it going. So we're going to go ahead and put them in the oven now. They have to bake for 12 minutes, I believe. So I will see you guys in 12 minutes. Alright, you guys, so this is how our cookies are looking. They look so good, so sweet. So to make the little scoop of butter on top, I'm going to be using a half a teaspoon, And I'm just gonna scoop up the buttercream like normal. Just like an ice cream scoop like that. Maybe I should have never made it that flat because now it won't come out. But we're just gonna try it. We're actually gonna use this tester cookie. This is gonna be our tester cookie. Only because it's the smallest one out of the bunch. Because this was the last one I made. But let's go ahead and test to see how the scoop is gonna look. And this is the easy part, obviously. But it doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but I just wanted it to, you know. Oh yeah, that's cute. That's giving waffle right there. That is cute. Look, guys. I know y'all will want that as a waffle on y'all plate. Like, please stop playing. That is so cute. Okay. Let's do the rest. Oh, they're so cute. I know y'all see the waffle. I just know y'all see. Book me for your brunch, your family brunch. I'm gonna make y'all some waffles. Alright y'all, so I'm finna set up to take some pictures. If you guys want to see what my family and I think of these waffle cookies, make sure you check out my Instagram at BIGBAKEROLL_TV. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't tried Crumbl cookie, go try it and try to make some COPYCAT cookies for yourself at home. I feel like it would be really fun. I had a lot of fun making these cookies. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, turn post notification bell so you won't miss another episode. And with that being said, I will see you guys next week. Bye.